Sorry, I have to make a video again. Working recording. Okay, so this is to do with one of the tasks. So task 2, I'm just going to show you how to do that question. Okay. Now this question is a little bit different than your previous question. The only difference is the angle is 60. You got an angle 90, but you follow exactly same procedure. I know this part is a little bit shiny, but it's because of the projector up there. Okay. Now we got the inlet area, which is that area. We got the outlet area, which is that area. We got the inlet pressure, which is 300. We got the outlet pressure, which is 200, obviously kilopascal. Find the horizontal and vertical forces on the nozzle. Okay. Now, sometime the diameter is given. If diameter is given, find the area by using the formula pi r squared. But in that case, you straight away got the area, and you do the same here. Now, the next thing is, you know the formula, pressure equals force over area. So force equals pressure times area. I put Fi. I stands for an inlet. Inlet, outlet. And the inlet force, I need to find out the inlet force. How I can find the inlet force? Pressure is 300 kilopascal. Area is 0.002 meter square. That will give me 600 Newton. Now this is the inlet. Now what I need to do now is I need to find out the forces in x-axis and y-axis. So total inlet force is 600 Newton. I need to resolve this 600 Newton. Just I don't need to do that one. Okay. I need to resolve these forces into two forces, x-axis and the y-axis. The formula goes like that. F inlet horizontal force. The formula is F inlet cos theta. F inlet vertical force, the formula is F inlet sine theta. Now, if you have a look at the force is in this direction. Yeah? It's in this direction, straight away in this direction. The force is not going this. Inlet one is straight here. This one is 90, it comes after the outlet. So this inlet. So the angle here is 0 degree. Yeah? So the angle here is 0 degree. Let me just zoom it out so you can actually see it clearly. Okay, so F inlet horizontal is the force, which is 600 multiplied by the cos 0, because the angle is 0 degree. That will give me 600 Newton because cos 0 is 0. F inlet vertical, V stands for vertical, 600 sine 0. Sine 0 is 0, so the answer is 0 Newton. Yeah? So I got that one. Now let me just make sure I'm recording my video. It is recording, so that's good. Okay, so let me zoom that one here. Let me just delete this thing, make it a little bit here. Okay, now let me zoom it a little bit for you. Now we'll look at the other force, the outlet force. So let's go all the way up. The outlet force, I need to find the force at outlet. I have the formula, pressure equals force over area, or force equals pressure times the area. For pressure, this is an outlet, I will put this value, which is 200. Obviously remember it's kilos, so times 10 to the 3. And the outlet area, which is this, 0.0005. Yeah, I will have a value of the force. Yeah, let's say it's 10, 20, 30, whatever value of the force, I will get in Newton. So I have the force. I will do exactly the same process. Then remember, the angle is 60. Yeah, the angle is 60 degree because it's the outlet angle. It's given 60 degree. So what I'm going to do is I need to find out outlet horizontal. So whatever the answer of the force I got is, which is these two things multiplied together, 200 multiplied by 10 to the 3 times 0.0005. Yeah. Whatever answer I got, I just put the answer here. Multiply by the cos 60, and I do the same. Whatever answer I got here, put here sin 60. So that will give me a horizontal and the vertical force. So I have the inlet horizontal, inlet vertical, outlet horizontal, outlet vertical. I have 4 forces. Yeah, maybe one of the forces is 0. Okay. Now I need to find out the total horizontal forces. The total horizontal forces is going to be inlet horizontal plus outlet horizontal. I have the value. I put this value here and here. It will give me an answer in Newton. Vertical force, inlet vertical plus outlet. This is not a D. This is a O. Outlet vertical. I put the value here. Put the value here. I will get an answer. Now the question is, what is the total force on the pipe? Yeah. If they ask me to find total force, total resultant force, I call it total resultant force as FR. Whatever the answer you get here, you put that one here, square it. Whatever answer you got here, put that one here, square root. That will give you the total resultant force. Yeah. So that's it. Let me stop that one.